Hey y'all, it's Danielle with Octane Design Studios, your retro gaming digital marketer, and today we're diving into a topic that's got some folks in our industry shaking in their boots. SEO. Why the fear, you ask? Well, SEO is like landing that critical hit in D&D, a game changer if you play your cards right. But trust me, it's as sneaky as a boggart from Harry Potter when it comes to revealing its true nature. So, let's level up your SEO game with these 5 essential tips every graphic and web designer should know. Buckle up, because we're about to drop some knowledge bombs. 1. Keyword quest. Picture this as your epic quest in an RPG. You've got to uncover those treasure troves of keywords, help your client pinpoint the magic words and phrases behind potential visitors to find their website. These keywords need to be strategically woven into the website's content, titles, headings, and meta descriptions. It's like equipping your character with the perfect gear before a boss battle. 2. Optimize scrolls. Your content is your spellbook. Craft high quality and relevant scrolls that contain those keywords that you've unearthed. Make sure your scrolls are engaging, well structured, and user friendly. We're talking content that's so good, even NPCs understand it. Well structured content not only enhances the user experience, but also levels up your search engine ranking. 3. Mobile Mage. In a world where everyone's building mobile devices, your website must be a master of versatility. Create a responsive and mobile friendly design that adapts to different screen sizes. Search engines absolutely love sites that provide a seamless experience on all devices. A mobile friendly design doesn't just make your users happy, it's a power up for your SEO stats. Hey, if this info is giving you that XP boost, don't forget to hit the button and drop a comment. Plus, ring that bell notification to stay in the loop for our next video drop. 4. Speed potion. Time to chug that speed potion. Slow loading websites are like dragging your feet through quicksand in a race. They ruin the user experience and can tank your search engine rankings. Optimize images, trim down that code, and unleash caching techniques to ensure your client's website loads at lightning speed. It's the need for speed in the digital realm. 5. Technical sorcery. Become a master of the arcane arts, technical SEO. That includes enchanting meta tags, conjuring up an XML sitemap, crafting a robot's TXT spell, using header tags wisely, and forging a rock solid URL structure. A technically sound website is more likely to be embraced by the mystical search engine crawlers and indexed effectively. Remember, SEO isn't a one time quest, it's a never ending adventure. Stay in the loop with the latest updates and changes in this dynamic realm. By helping your clients embrace these SEO fundamentals, you're building them a fortress of online presence and ensuring they shine like legendary heroes in search engine results. And that's a wrap. SEO might be as mysterious as a hidden treasure chest, but armed with these essentials, you're ready to conquer the digital realm. Until next time, keep designing, keep gaming, and keep being the heroes you are.